Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 25. An example of a trace element is A. Potassium, B. Calcium, C. Magnesium, D. Copper. So, trace elements are mineral elements. So, trace elements are mineral elements and are also known as micronutrients, and they are elements required by living organisms in minute amounts. Now, in living organisms, they usually serve as what they call cofactors for enzymes. So they are essential for enzymes to carry out their function. Now, examples of trace elements include copper, cobalt, zinc, molybdenum, etc. So among the options, we have mentioned copper. So copper is one of the popularly known trace elements. So copper is option D. Option D, copper is an example of a trace element. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.